forward to seeing everyone at LeadsCon in Las Vegas. We've been a sponsor of LeadsCon since the beginning. Be it Targa Sinfor, now Neustar. We're there every year because it's the place to have the most meaningful conversations in our industry. Now, it wouldn't be a great LeadsCon if it weren't for great networking and great parties. Please stop by the Neustar meeting room in St. Thomas A to pick up your VIP passes for the closing party, which will be held at One Oak in the Mirage Wednesday night. Until then, on behalf of all of us at Neustar, travel safely. See you in Las Vegas.